very rarely, but not not unheard of, mats can get leaks where for some reason during manufacture there's been a misweld along the edge lap. So that's the bit here along the edge of the mat where the material has been welded, and for whatever reason, maybe there's a crease in the material or something, it peels away and you end up with a leak coming through. It's extremely rare. It does come up, particularly with some where people have got perhaps really old mats, collectible mats. So it is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm doing a mock-up here. I'm not actually doing it because this mat's not leaking, but what you want to do is make sure that you don't go inside this weld line. If you go into there, then you start to change the shape of the mat. So what we're looking at doing is welding over the existing weld line and then out onto the rest of the edge lap, which is unwelded, to create a seal. So what you need is some insulation, and paper is the best thing for that. Nice and flat. Something to make sure that you don't actually go over onto the weld. So if you get a bit of plywood or something and put that onto the mat and just kind of come over onto the weld line, so none of the body of the mat is actually showing. I'll just turn that around a bit. So none of the body of the mat is showing there, it's just the edge lap that needs to be welded. Then a bit more paper on top, and then pile something, so bricks or something, just to give some weight to make sure that this stays still. And then what you do is you get a steam iron, no steam, make sure there's no water in it, and as hot as possible. And once it's heated it up, put it onto the area that you need to weld and push down, and with all of your weight just hold it for about 10 seconds. And then when you take it away, it will be welded. Use a test patch, so repair patch for your mat or something like that first, just to make sure that you've got it right. This is really important. Iron on bare material may well melt the nylon. This is really important. Without that, the heat will just sink into the table and you're going to melt your mat again. Okay?